What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So for those who know and those who don't know, my name is Brittany. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome
Jesus, let me know where they show no fish. You say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. They say you found it, but she doesn't want.
So in today's video, I will be addressing some, I don't know what's the word to use, but like basically I put on my Instagram that guys should let me know your assumptions of me, so I'll just be answering your or addressing your assumptions of me. I don't know, but that's what I'm gonna be doing today. And yeah, I haven't really read all the assumptions, honestly, so yeah, I think I've only seen like the first 3 when they came in, but I didn't really look at the rest of them. I was like, I want to like give my honest opinion of it when so anyways, yeah, so let's just get straight into the video. So the first one, why in the okay, so the first one says, dash me away. I don't think I did, honestly. All right, so here's the deal. I'm terrible at texting, right? I hardly text people unless they text me, to be honest. I will go, like, guys, I know this sounds bad too, but my dad can testify that as much as I love my dad, I barely talk to him, guys. Like, I barely call or text because I'm just so bad at over the phone stuff. Like, it's so much easier for me when you're in person. That's just how I am. Over the phone, yeah, no, it's so hard for me. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm just bad at texting. But you can text me too, like, reach out to me, because honestly, I've lost some numbers and stuff, so I don't really have everyone number that I had in Jamaica. So honestly, if you feel like I threw you out, it's really because, or you feel like I neglected you, it's really because I've just been busy and I've had a lot going on in my life, like a lot right now. So it's not like I do it on purpose. I mean, I still have love for you, but at the same time, like, I'm just terrible at texting. I mean, you guys can reach out to me too, because I barely have numbers or whatever, so you guys can reach out to me too. Bad at texting. See, I am bad at texting, and I'm very sorry that I am bad at texting. But yeah, you're correct, I am. Am I gonna improve on it? Probably not, because like I said, I have a busy life. So having the life that I have right now and the things that I'm going through right now between work and personal life, it's a lot, and it's kind of hard to focus on other stuff when your life is that busy. You are a nice person. Thank you so much. Thank you. I know I am a nice person and I try to be nice. Thank you. I feel like a lot of people take you for granted. I feel like that sometimes, to be honest. Honestly, sometimes it hurts, like, especially who I feel like take me for granted, but I guess it's just a part of life. You're gonna have people who are like that, and you're gonna have people who are the ones who are taken for granted. But I really do want to know though, like, why do you think that, like, what about me makes you think that I'm taken for granted though? Like, what is it, you know? You need to make more friends. Oh goodness, I find it so funny because I'm not a big fan of people, to be honest. Guys, when I tell you that I am bad at keeping friends, simply because I am super picky with who I keep as friends, simply because honestly, I just don't like people, and then I don't like drama and certain stuff. I mean, I've met people who I consider friends, but at the same time, to like be someone who has a lot of friends, I'm not into that. I'm really sorry. No, I like to keep my circle really small. Yeah, because the smaller your circle, then the less drama, the less stuff that you have going on. It's just how I see it. Why does this phone keep timing out? Okay. Hi. Don't know you like that, to be honest, but something tells me you forgive people who did you wrong. Why do you think that? Like, I genuinely want to know. Like, I asked you guys, what do you think of me, right? Why do you guys think that? Like, what kind of vibe do I give off? And yeah, I don't really know this person, to be honest. We just follow each other on Instagram. But what about me gives off that vibe? Because I mean, like, yeah, sure, I'm really forgiving, I'm super forgiving. I have really, really long temperance. I'm not short tempered at all. So I have long temperance. My patience, I have so much patience. It's like when patience was given out, I was at the front of the line. And sometimes it annoys me that I'm that patient and have a long temperance, because sometimes I really do need to blow up on people, but I just do not. But what about me makes you think that I forgive people? Like, what kind of vibe am I giving you guys? Because I'm really, like, really, what's it called? Curious now. Because, like, yeah, I do, but, like, what about me makes y'all think that? Can I still shoot my shot? No, you cannot. A girl is taken, so no, you may not. I mean, if you shoot a shot, you're not gonna get a response. It's not gonna go in a goal. It could miss. So just do not, because we don't like to hurt feelings. So just do not, because girl is in a relationship. You are mean. Thank you very much. If you see me as mean, okay, thank you. I guess I don't know what to do with that information, but thank you very much. I just think that I'm the type of person who my attitude depends on yours. So really, I don't really give people attitude. It's more likely I give you a reaction. So if your attitude is bad, you possibly might get a bad reaction from me. So if you think I'm mean, oh well. It's probably something you did. I don't know, but I'm not really mean person. But if you think I'm mean, then okay, I'll pencil it in to cry about it later. I don't know. I can't respond to this one because it's just hard eyes. But whatever. Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. And I do know that I'm beautiful sometimes. Sometimes I can look like a homeless person. And I do look like I need to put myself together sometimes, but I know how to look like somebody pretty. So yes, thank you so much for the compliment. You're literally the most down to earth person ever. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I try to be, honestly. I try to be, you know, with, like Jamaicans will say, have my head screwed on my body. I try to be mature about situations. I try to not act childish. I try to basically get my life together. And I know that in doing that, certain things I just cannot do or react certain type of way in certain situations. yeah, like, but it's not like, sometimes, to be honest, I feel like I'm not doing enough. But thank you for seeing me as someone who's down to earth, because trust me, adulting is hard. Like, being someone who's like being mature and all that stuff, like, it means letting go of certain things and just focusing on certain things. And a lot of people may not understand that. They may see you as, oh, you're being, stuck up, or oh, you're being certain type of way, but it's really not. You're just trying to focus on something, I guess. Thank you. um you don't want to know. I actually do want to know, and I actually did read this one before, so I did reach out to the person, and basically their response was, I'm not the same person. I've grown a lot. So they're saying that I'm not the same person who I was when they first knew me. They said I grew a lot now. I mean, like, yeah. I mean, back then I was like, what, 18, 19, somewhere thereabout. I'm like 21 now. So yeah, I've grown, of course. It's like years now. But I take it as a compliment, because, like, for someone to say, like, oh, you've come so far, it's always good to grow, and growth is important. If you're stuck, if you're the same person you were yesterday, just being stuck, you're never growing, never getting better, then you really need to check yourself. So, like, to hear that, it's really nice to hear that someone else sees that I'm growing, and I really do try. I'm the type of person who doesn't try to compete with others. I try to compete with myself. So I try to be the best person of who I was yesterday, and each day I just try to level up, level up, level up. You know what I'm better? So yes, but yeah. So that was the last question. Well, not question. That was the last opinion of me, or whatever. And they're mostly nice, so thank you guys. They're really nice, but I do try my best. So yeah, so that's that for this video. Hope you guys liked it. I tried to keep it short, just short, because I get that some of my videos have been really long. yeah so I tried to keep it one really short for you guys. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell your mother, your father, your papa, your granny, every single person in your family. I love you guys so much, and I'm trying to, like, post content consistently. I know it's hard. It's like, especially, like, finding content to post, to, like, vlog videos, stuff like that, and to, like, edit, post, all of that stuff while trying to keep up with what I got going on in life. It's kind of hard sometimes, but I'm trying for you guys. And then it's also like, I don't really want to be the type of person or YouTuber who gives everything in my personal life, or everything like that, on social media. So it's all about, like, having a balance and filtering, like, what do I put here, stuff like that. Because they always say, like, you don't know a person, you get to see, like, 15-30 minutes of a person's life, but you don't really know everything. But yeah, so I do like to keep stuff private and everything like that, but I do try to get content for you guys, and I'll try to have, like, a schedule, because I do be posting just random days. I have no schedule right now, so I do need to get a schedule on when I post stuff. Well, I'm something there, but yes, that is that. Love you guys so much. Enjoy the rest of y'all day or night or whatever it is. But love you guys so much. For those who stick to the end, love you. And peace. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, by the way, right now, Okay, love you guys so much, and peace out. Stay safe.